So far, we have seen the various data structures, and as an example, we have directly given or supplied the data to the data structure. But in programming, you don't normally do that. You don't play around with the data structure, whereas you use various methods of input, which could be through the keyboard. I mean, ask the user to provide in with the data, or you might read the file. So those could be the input. Yeah, output could be, again, you print out a statement on the display, or it could be through the file. So first, let us look at input, how to get an input from the keyboard. So for that, you say, let's have data, and so this is the command to get an input from the keyboard. So to make it interactive, yeah, you can provide with a statement, type a number. So what it does is gets an input and assigns it to data. So it says type a number, and we provide it as 560. Now if we check data, data is 560. The point to note here is, though you have entered a numeral, but still it considers that to be a string. You see here, it is showing a string. Suppose after getting the data, you want to manipulate the data, then yes, with numbers, one option is you can have data, make it int, that is integer, plus 10. That is one option. Otherwise, you could have it assigned to a variable with converted into a int. Now if I check num, that's an int one. It is converted into int, and now it is integer. Now this can be added to a number. So that's about getting a data from the keyboard. Again, the output is pretty straightforward. You can print it as well through the print statement. So in the next session, we look at using the files, which is very critical in any of the programming language.